Hello, this is Barbara Levin, and I am co-hosting this first virtual legal nurse consulting conference with Patricia Iyer. We have an incredible panel of speakers and topics to help you expand your businesses and position yourselves as the go-to legal nurse consulting. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing Dr. Kenneth Rothfeld, who serves as the Chief Medical Officer at the Texas Health Arlington Memorial Hospital and is also an anesthesiologist. He is nationally recognized for his work in patient safety and advancing healthcare cultures. Dr. Rothfeld is going to present the program Lessons Learned from the Death of Joan Rivers for this first virtual legal nurse consulting conference. Good afternoon, Dr. Rothfeld.
Hi, Barbara.
I'd like to ask you if you could explain to everyone who is Joan Rivers. We know that there will be a variety of ages of individuals attending our conference, and perhaps the younger generation may not be too familiar with Joan Rivers.
Well, Joan Rivers was really America's preeminent comedian, and she's the entertainer who really paved the way for female comedians, and also somebody who really pushed the envelope of propriety for what you can say on national television in a concert. She was discovered by Johnny Carson back in the 1960s and had an incredible career and was known by many, many people around the country. And so when she died in September 2014, it came as an incredible shock.
Now, with her death, I understand that you've reviewed records and learned lessons as well. And one of the items that you're going to be speaking about to the attendees is VIP syndrome and how it can negatively affect a patient safety situation.
Well, VIP syndrome is really interesting, and this was a phrase that was coined back in the 60s as well. And when you think about it, we try to give extra special care sometimes to patients because they're important people. But what the science shows is that when we provide extra special care to people, it's generally inferior to the standard care we would give to a stranger. And I believe VIP syndrome played a significant role in Joan Rivers' death and many other celebrities. And to tell you the truth, I was also the victim of VIP syndrome myself, and I'll explain that at the conference.
Well, thank you so much for that. Will you be sharing slides and obviously the story and your impact and others on the case?
You bet. And I'm going to tell Joan Rivers' story not just with a bunch of slides, but I have some video content that I think will be interesting, and also some examples from everyday life and popular culture and television.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. We look forward to having you join us for the first virtual Legal Nurse Consulting livecast conference. It will be July 9 and 10, 16 and 17. Please visit the website below, lnc.tips/July 2020 virtual, no spaces. We look forward to seeing you.
Thanks. I'm really excited.